Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we'll make Cloverleaf dinner rolls. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of warm water, a tablespoon of melted butter, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, a half teaspoon salt, and some cooking spray. We'll start by activating our yeast. We'll add our 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast to our 2 tablespoons of warm water. Stir it together and allow it to sit for 15 minutes to activate. While the yeast is proofing, we'll go ahead and mix together our 1 cup of half and half or whole milk, tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Then we'll either warm it on the stovetop or in our microwave for 20 seconds. After we've warmed our milk, we'll beat in 1 egg and mix in our flour, activated yeast, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Once mixed, we'll knead our dough together by hand until a sticky dough ball forms, about 5 minutes. Then we'll cover it with a kitchen towel and allow it to rise in a warm place or in our oven set to bread proof until doubled in volume, about an hour. After our dough has finished rising, we'll punch it down and spray 2 large muffin tins with cooking spray. I'm using one that includes flour. Then we'll roll our dough into approximately 1.5 to 2 inch balls and place 3 balls in each cavity of our muffin tin. Cover them with a kitchen towel and allow them to rise a second time for 30 minutes. This recipe will make approximately 9 large dinner rolls. After the second rise, we'll preheat our oven to 425 degrees and we'll melt our tablespoon of butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. While the oven is preheating, we'll brush the melted butter over the tops of our rolls. Once our oven has finished preheating to 425 degrees, we'll bake our cloverleaf rolls for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, and our cloverleaf rolls should be done. We'll remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.